Today I'm going to show you how to create YouTube subscribe button, which is normally used as the watermark for all your videos which you have uploaded in your YouTube. So today I'm going to show you using a very simple website called Canva. So let's go to the browser. In Canva we do have premium subscription, and also we have the free version, so each can work for you, so depending on what you want from Canva. So let's begin. So type Canva. So you need to log in as either pro or in the free membership, so as to be able to download whatever you have created. So to create our YouTube subscribe button, we need to go to create design. Okay, so in the create design we'll be able to choose whatever catalog we need. So because it's kind of a logo, you might choose a logo, or you might come here and type YouTube thumbnail and it will give you a catalog whereby it looks like a logo. So let's use the logo catalog, for example, which will work for us. So when you click that catalog, opens another tab, which now opens a template, an empty template, where now you can do your work. So I want to create a YouTube subscribe button. So today we're going to create like 2 of them, just to show you how easy it is to create one. So here we have an empty template which is blank. So we need to go to elements, that is where we work with it. Then you need to type YouTube. Okay, type YouTube. So after typing YouTube, it will give you a variety of buttons, because you need the button for YouTube and the subscribe. Okay, so we go to graphics. I normally like to get the graphics part. So go to graphics. So we need first of all the one which is long, so that will give us a space to type. So we have this one here, so you can click. You see it is free, just click it, it comes here. Then we go to text, because now we have the button and we need the text now. Go to text. So you need to choose, you can choose the add and heading, okay, or you can come straight and choose whatever text design you like. Then you can change the font and the rest. So for me, any can work. You can choose to start from scratch. For example, you can choose this and then change, because it is even free. These are the ones which are pro. So maybe you can choose add and edit. So for this now, first of all, we need to reduce the size so that it can be able to fit on the subscribe button. Then we need to like this to turn into this lighting to be white. So you come here, then you need to choose white. So we need to look for white. This is white, then you click, so the lighting goes to white. Then you move it to down here, there. Then you need to change the rating which is inside. So you write subscribe here. Okay, subscribe. Okay. So there we go. So that is our subscribe button. So you can even reduce this, so you can just highlight all of it, so that you can reduce the size if you feel it is a little bit bigger. Then now you can resize it and place it in there. Sorry, you need to control that. So you need to highlight all of it, so that to move all of it. So I need to put it at the center of the image, where the center. So I have my subscribe button, which now I will download, then go to the YouTube and be able to upload it. So that's one of it. So I can show you to create another one, a different style. So you go to elements, you type YouTube, then you need to look for another type. You can also do this. These are pro version. See, these are pro version, so you need to have the pro pro version. This one you don't even have to edit. This one is just resizing. This is ready to use. This is a ready to use. This is a ready to use. That's a ready to use subscribe button. This one, just use it like that. So I can even show you to create another one. This is how easy it is. So you don't have to struggle. As long as you have Canva, you can do a lot of things. So let's create another one. A subscribe button. So let's look for another one. It's good to be a little bit simple, not complicated. So let's look for another one you can create. So let's look for this. Yeah, this is a pro, but you can get a free version of this also. And here it is, you see, this is free. See, but you see the color are a little bit different, so that's the difference. So this one is a little bit dark. So now we need to put a subscribe here. Okay, you can even put animations. So you can even say subscribe, and then you'll see a lot of examples which come to subscribe. You see this, you see this, all this, but all these are pro. So if you are using a free subscription, you'll be unable to access this. You see this, subscribe, all these are free. Prime, pro version like this, subscribe, very clear, you see, very nice. But now this you need to have a pro account. So I'm looking for subscribe, something like this. You see, this one is dancing, and this is free actually. Then you can pick it. Then you need to resize. This. But I don't like the way it is blinking, and so maybe we do hours by writing it. So we go to text. I think that will be better. So we go to add the way we did the other one. I need to choose the color to be white. Then I need to pull this down and to resize it again, a little bit smaller to fit in. Then I need to change the writing inside. So you come here, you double click, select the writing, then you subscribe. Okay, then you check whether it is okay. Yeah, but it's not in the center, so we check whether we can be able to put it. First of all, we just highlight all of it, so we check whether we are in the middle. Okay, now we're in the middle. Go here inside, ensure that here, okay. So this one, to ensure that we are fine, to move it to the middle. There. So maybe you can increase a little bit of this, just to ensure that it is okay. Then you move it a little bit up. There. So you have created another subscribe button. Okay. Now I want to show you to create a fourth one. Let's create a fourth one, just to be perfect. Okay. I'll just take a ready-made one, which is cool. Very good of having a pro account. Most of the tables are ready-made. You just pick, and there's nothing much to edit. It's just like you use it the way it is, because the simpler it is, the better. So there's one I checked out. Nice. Let's put subscribe. There's one I checked, it was good. You want to select it. This one here. But now it is a pro. Now you need to have a pro account. Okay. So this one is good. Just to reduce a little bit. Then it is in the middle. There you go. So that is how you create a subscribe how simply it is to create a subscribe YouTube button. Now I want to show you how to download it to your computer, then now you can use it later to upload it to your YouTube. So you just come here to download, ensure that it is a PNG, ensure you select transparent background. This is available for Pro, and here ensure it is in the size of maximum, which is 3. Then here you need to choose one by one because you don't have to upload all of them at the same time, you only need one. So let's choose the first one, then we say done, then we say download. So it's going to download that image to our computer so that now we can use it later to upload it to our website. So come here and click here, you'll be able to view that image from our computer, and that is what we have downloaded and what we are going to use into our YouTube channel. So guys, that is how easy it is to create a YouTube subscribe button which can be used as a watermark for your videos. So guys, thank you, and I'll be showing you guys how to add this to your YouTube channel as a watermark. So guys, thank you so much for watching.